So over here you can see that I got this model and I got three axes that is represented by three lines. So I got y-axis representing by the blue line right here. The x-axis is being represented by the red line, and the z-axis is being represented by the green line. So I want to make sure if everything is parallel with my model. In that case, I can actually go ahead and color out the edges of my axis right here. So to do that, I can go around and click on sets to search out for the tool that I want to color the axis from, and I'm simply going to go around over here and say color edges by axis right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that whatever is parallel, you can actually see the model right here is highlighted. So you can see that this is red, meaning it is parallel to the red axis. This is parallel to the blue, so meaning it is parallel to the blue y axis, and so forth right here. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around over here and select out, let's say, an S, and let me just go around over here onto move right here. So let's just go ahead and move this out. You can immediately see that now these turn black. That is because now it's not parallel onto the green or the blue axis right here. You can see that it's tilted out right here. So if I were to go around and then, let's say, for example, slowly move this out, you can see that I can realign it out right here, just like this. So you want to make sure that something is parallel, then you can go ahead and do that. Let me just go around over here and then, let's say, for example, make out a shape right here, and I can go ahead and pull this out. You can see that everything is parallel right now, but as soon as I actually go ahead and select out a shape right here and then go around over here onto move, then what happens is that you can see that what is not parallel is simply black. So that is how you can go ahead and color edges by axis inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.